Trevor Forbes Hamilton, and welcome to another splendid evening of the latest cutting-edge theatre from the United States. On tonight's program, we will present a masterful play, a rare performance of Killing Miss America. If you recall, this 1989 performance made stars out of the little-known but talented actress known simply as Nikki, and of course, Jane Palacio, as well as Kay McNamara, Laura Knott, Julie Ackerman, and Alicia Batchelder, all of whom won Emmys, Golden Globes, and Grammys, though not one of them could sing a note. There was also a later Oscar nomination for Jane Palacio for his work in Dead People Should Not Be Microwaved, a historical, psychological, dramatic comedy adventure musical which also starred Nikki as a carnivorous cheerleader. But enough of my pompous prattlings on. Without further ado, we present the one and only Killing Miss America.
I am so sorry I am late. I'm Hugh Trent.
And I'm Linda Frank, as you already know.
Some incredible events are occurring as the Miss America hostage crisis continues to unfold. We all look forward to the resolution of what some are calling the most un-American act of the decade.
Excuse me, my pompous mustache is falling off.
Ready?